Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. We are doing good. It's just our life got a bit busy as my mom has gone back to India. So Ketul and I do get exhausted between two kids. Our routine has changed quite a bit. I will share a routine video soon when I get a time. But anyway, guys, today is Saturday evening and we took kids to the park in the evening. Weather is still nice, and these are the last days of summer, and then our fall will come, and of course, the winter will hit as well. So we try to take kids outside as much as we can. I have recently purchased this double stroller and I quite like it. In the beginning, when I first received it, I'm like, I don't think so Zane will sit into it, but it seems like it's working really well since my mom has left. I usually take kids to the park in the evening, and our park is a little far away from our house. So sometimes Zane takes scooter, but halfway he's like, Mama, I don't want a scooter anymore. And he would come back and sit in the stroller. And it's working out great for me. If your kids are at similar age as Zane and Arsh, then I highly recommend because it does help quite a bit.
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense anymore.
It is a Sunday morning. Zain is eating cheese sandwich, and for Arsh, I'm making his favorite oats. Good morning, Zain. Hey, Archie. Now I'm making our morning drink. This is a drink that Ketul and I both drink in the morning. In my drink, I add a half lime and a pinch of black salt. If you guys want to check the recipe, it is on my channel, and I will also link in my description box as well. We're taking kids to the sandy beach, and the weather is just perfect today. Kids had a blast. I never knew that my kids could enjoy this much on a beach. Water was surprisingly clean, so I didn't mind Ash playing in the water either. Ash enjoyed so much. They played for 5 hours and still didn't want to come out.
Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense. No, nothing makes sense anymore.
Hi, Danny. Are you guys having fun?
Maybe I could have seen it all coming, that I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore? Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense anymore.
After that, we came home and ordered pizza and called it a night. Why is this? You're eating pizza? Take it out. We went to Corn Maze Farm last weekend and I did shoot on that day, but I never got a chance to upload any video of our trip. So I thought I'll just add it to this video. It was a fun day out. They had many attractions, a train ride, mini golf, pumpkin jumping pad, another jumping pillows, car racing, mini cooked houses, house carousel, duck races, zip line. It was a fun day. We all had so much fun. Our most favorite was a corn maze train ride. Kids enjoyed, so as us. It was a great day out. And if you guys are from the central Alberta area, then I would definitely recommend this. Corn Maze Farm is just outside of Lacombe, and it's a perfect day out if the weather is nice.
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back, I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense. No, nothing makes sense anymore. Maybe I could have seen it all coming, that I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore? Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense. No, nothing makes sense anymore. Teach me how to fall into the unknown. Whatever may come. Oh, nothing makes sense. Oh, nothing makes sense anymore.
I hope you enjoy watching today's vlog. If you are first time on my channel and like watching videos on lifestyle in Canada, kids cooking recipe and motherhood, then please consider subscribing to my channel. It means a lot to me. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next one. You take care. Bye-bye.